So we've been working on multiplying two-digit numbers by larger numbers. Today we want to take a quick look at what happens if that's not just a two-digit number, but a three-digit number times a larger number. Let's look at this problem. 345 times 279. We know we're going to start here with the 9 in the ones place like we have started with all of our other multiplication problems. So we're just going to work through this. 9 times 5 we know is 45. Put our 5 here, carry our 4. 9 times 4 we know is 36, plus the 4 makes for 40. We carry our 4. 9 times 3 is 27, plus 4 more will be 31. We're done multiplying by the 9. We mark it out. And we mark out everything that we carried when we multiplied it by it too. Now we're ready to move on multiplying by the 7 here in the tens place. Now we know when we multiply in the tens place, we put a 0 to help hold our place to make sure we're multiplying by that 70 that represents, the 7 represents here. So we put our happy 0 here, our second row 0, and then we go ahead and start multiplying like we normally would. 7 times 5 is 35. Carry my 3. 7 times 4 is 28. Plus 3 more would be 31. Carry my 3. 7 times 3 is 21. Plus 3 more would be 24. Now I'm done multiplying by this 7. I'm going to mark it out, and everything that I carried along with it as well. And now I'm going to look at multiplying by this 2. This is the little guy that's going to give us a little bit of trouble if we're not careful, though. The 2 is in the hundreds place, so it represents the value 200. The 7 represented the value 70. The 9 represented 9 ones. Well, this 7 represented 70, and we put 1 0 to hold its place here. So if the 2 represents 200, we're going to put 2 zeros. So we've got our 2 happy zeros here, and then we can go ahead and start multiplying by the 2 like we normally would. The 2 times 5 is 10. Carry my 1. 2 times 4 is 8. Plus 1 is 9. 2 times 3 is 6. And then just like any other multiplication problem, what we wind up doing is adding all of these together. 5 plus 0 is 5. 0 plus 5 plus 0 is 5. 1 plus 1 is 2. 3 plus 4 is 7. Plus 9 is 16. Carry my 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. Plus 6 is 9. So my final answer here of 345 times 279 is 96,255. We have another problem, slightly larger, 1,372 times 453. Let's look and see how that one would work out. Again, we start here in the ones place, multiplying by the 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 7 is 21. Carry my 2. 3 times 3 is 9. Plus 2 is 11. Carry my 1. 3 times 1 is 3. Plus 1 more is 4. I'm done multiplying by the 3, so I mark it out and everything that I carried along with it, so not to confuse myself. I'm now going to multiply by the 5. The 5 again is in that tens place, so I put my happy 0, second row 0 there, to kind of keep holding place. 5 times 2 is 10. Carry my 1. 5 times 7 is 35, plus 1 is 36. Carry my 3. 5 times 3 is 15. Plus 3 more is 18. Carry my 1. 5 times 1 is 5. Plus the 1 I carried makes 6. I'm done multiplying by the 5. So I mark it out, and I mark out everything that I carried along with it. Again, just to keep me from getting confused. here's that guy that's in that hundreds place again. 4. Because it's in the hundreds place, I want to make sure that I've got enough lined up here to keep it all lined up, enough place value holding. So because it represents 400, I put 2 zeros to show it represents 400. Then I go ahead and start multiplying. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 7 is 28. Carry my 2. 4 times 3 is 12, plus the 2 I carried is 14. Carry my 1. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5. And again, like I would with any of my other multiplication problems I've been doing, I add my partial products here, and I can go ahead and get the final answer. 6 plus 0 is 6. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. Plus 8 more is 15. Carry my 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. Plus 8 is 13. Plus 8 more is 21. Carry my 2. 2 plus 6 is 8. Plus 4 is 12. Carry my 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. So I have 621,516 for a final answer. The only real difference between multiplying a 2-digit number by a larger number or a 3-digit number by a larger number is making sure you have the correct number of second row zeros or happy zeros at the end. When it's a 2-digit number, the number in the tens place, we put 1 happy zero. When it's a 3-digit number, we put 2 happy zeros. That's the only difference between these two algorithms.